Hello everyone! For today's vlog, I'm preparing or making whole chicken. So this is bake. I-bake po natin sa oven ito ng yung whole chicken. So I will this is already clean. I rub with salt, wash, and clean it properly and remove the remaining hair of the chicken. So this is already clean. So what I'm going to do is put the spices or like the seasoning inside and outside of the chicken. And then I also have mixed vegetables here, carrots and potato with some onions on it. And I will bake this together with the chicken. So I have here mga ingredients natin: Italian seasoning, black pepper, I have Montreal spices here too, some chicken, salt and olive oil. Of course, I have to put lemon inside of the chicken and on some onions too. So let's start, guys. Let's put this one first inside. So lagyan po natin ng lemon para matanggal po ang langsa. Ayan lang po ang ilalagay natin with some salt and pepper inside of the chicken. So yan, buruburan lang natin. Ganyan. Para may lasa. So what I'm going to do is i-marinate ko po ito at least maybe an hour and just put in the fridge for an hour and then cook it later. Para mas masarap siya, guys, natin, i-marinate natin. I think mas maganda ito para ma-rub ko, no? This is salt. Just gonna rub the chicken. My hand is clean. I forgot my gloves. So ito ang luto ng chicken for today. Rub lang natin para at least may lasa, no? And then I will put some Italian seasoning. Ito yung pampasarap. Ganyan lang siya. Yung vegetables natin, guys, i-marinate ko din siya. Lalagyan ko din siya ng salt, pepper, and oil. Yan lang po ang ingredients niya para may lasa din. Yan. So this is plain Italian seasoning para siya ma-absorb. Ganyan din natin all over the chicken. Ba't ayaw lang ito? So yan. And then some pepper. Ano pala yan? Oh, I need the ground pepper. Maraming option kung paano lutuin ang whole chicken. Pero ito ang kadalasan na ginagawa ko sa chicken. It's either whole chicken like this or flattened chicken. So guys, among you cooking flattened chicken, mas easy yung flattened chicken because na siya, kumbaga parang shorten na lang yung time na lutuin yung flatted kasi nga hindi na ito buo na gaya niyan. But ito is a little bit longer na iluluto dahil kailangan maluto yung sa loob. And then we'll put some of this, isang pampalasa. lang siya guys. Irarap ko lang ng ganyan. Para lagyan on the whole part. Another seasoning on the chicken. We will transfer in the pantry. Okay. Here. So dito natin guys ilalagay, no? Just like that. Yes. And then we'll put up, I will put a little bit of butter. Butter. Here. Ayan, this is butter. And we'll put some here. And then, i-spread ko din siya. Mag-i-spread din ako ng olive oil. Kasi pag super ano na, dahil yung chicken ay rinab natin ng paper towel para hindi po siya basa, no? Hindi siya as in super basa habang niluluto. So, rinab ko siya, pinatuyuan ko siya ng ano, ng tawag nito, ng paper towel. So, hindi na yan basa. Kailangan din po, mayroon siyang juice. Yung juice na lalabas na is yung juice from the chicken. So, wala na siyang masyadong tubig. And, ayan. Spread natin ng ganyan. Lagyan natin ng konti. Ayan, ganyan konti lang. Para mayroon siyang lasa. And then, okay. So, we're done with this. We're done with the chicken. All we have to do is i-prepare ko na rin yung ating ano, ito. Vegetables. Same lang din. Very simple. I-dip din natin sa dito itong vegetables all together with the chicken, no? Ayan. Tsaka pepper. Just add some pepper. And then olive oil. And then that's it. And we'll just halo-halo. Mix, like that. Para lahat ay malagyan ng lasa. And then, ilalagay natin dito. Okay? So, what we have to do is just, oh, merong buo. So, what we have to do is put in here. So, meron siyang onion, potato, patatas, at carrots. So, ganyan lang siya. But it's okay. It's good anyway. Pag maraming vegetables. Ayan, so, mamaya, i-ready ko yung oven kasi hindi ko pa yung iluluto, guys. Mamarinate ko pa ito. So, ang heat ng oven is, gawin kong 400 degrees muna. And then, ipasok ko ito for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And then, after 15 minutes, i-lower ko yung, yung oven ng 385 for about, an hour. So, ganyan po katagal or ang temperature yung ating oven. 400 muna for about 15 minutes na ilagay natin ito. And then 385 for 1 hour to make sure na guys, luto na yung loob ng chicken and then also the vegetables. And while I'm cooking, lagyan ko siya ng paper foil dito sa top ng 30 minutes and then remove the foil after 30 minutes and just leave it like this in the oven while waiting yung hour ng ating another 30 minutes na open siya. So ang itsura niya is parang yung magbabrown na siya and then yung vegetables is cooked. So that's it guys. Yan. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Medyo okay naman siya, right? Diba? Ayan. So, whole baked chicken with vegetables. Thank you for watching.